The first topic, I went for something as my wife calls juicy. I read out the topics to her. She's like, nothing is juicy here. So she gave a juicy opinion, which is a live-in relationship or you only move in after marriage. Now, wait.
Okay.
So all these topics are a theme around generations, which is also the theme of my stand-up special that's coming out.
Wow.
And actually, one of you in the comment section said, why don't you do two types of people with generational topics? So this is like a big topic that our parents keep bringing up. Like, why do you have to do living?
I can already see the YouTube comments. What's wrong with this generation?
Yes.
What are they doing?
Sorry for my dad.
So we have generation, all generations here, right?
Okay.
I'll represent the parents.
Yeah.
What? I didn't hear the question.
Did you bring your specs?
I do have them.
Can you please show us?
Oh yeah. For this topic, it's only fair.
Fucking bastard. It's not supposed to be a joke. It's an eyesight.
It really makes him look, much. Sorry, Dad. So, who wants to be pro live-in relationship before marriage, and who is?
Let's see.
And who?
After those glasses, you have to be anti. I'm sorry.
And
Nobody lifted their hands.
And who's
up,
like
man.
only after marriage?
I'll take pro.
I can do after marriage.
Oh, then we
Yeah.
are both pro live-in relationship.
You have to be passionate about
Not
it.
I'm
like-
very. I
Saurabh,
hate people who live in, dude.
I don't want someone in my team.
Dude.
I hate people who don't live in.
Dude.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
This is like that now. I hate. I love. It's just.
Okay, I think let's water down the question to: are you live-in or marriage?
Got it.
No, that's not
What?
totally
Yes,
different
yes.
question.
You're against marriage. You're against marriage.
Wait. No.
You're against marriage if you're for pro live-in.
No, wait.
I never said that. I say
Yes,
people
that's
should
what I
live in.
say.
People should live in until marriage. Then they live in separate houses. That's what I'm saying. Isn't that what we
Already
all
lost control of this show.
Man, don't accuse us of anything. I'm married and I'm living in also. There's no
Let's not get
choice.
into semantics over here.
The topic is living in before marriage and living in only after.
Dude,
after
marriage is just a live-in with the government involved. It's the same.
Yeah.
There's a third person is living
Okay.
in.
So what about it then?
Okay, so the point system has started.
Yeah.
1 point for Shamik for saying that.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Wow.
भाई उसने सपोर्ट क्या किया है उसने
Yeah.
भाई अपने पॉइंट को
Anything
bolo,
that's
bolo.
pro government, you can't just give a point.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. 1
Okay.
point to Saurabh.
Pandering. Just
How could I
only
make that
pandering.
mistake?
Okay, I'll tell you why I'm against it, and it's for the happiness of the couples only.
Oh.
See, you are born with your parents for years. You barely able to live in with them.
Yeah.
Why do you want to ruin your life by living in with one more person
Yeah.
before that? Okay. My point is, anyway, it's going to be shock
You don't
and
have
awe.
to have the parents there.
No, I'm saying it doesn't work with those guys also. So how will it work with a new person? I'm saying first get that legally thinking. Now you have to be.
Okay.
You see how long divorce takes. Now, see, let's be honest out here. Everyone has gone through breakups, multiple from whatever.
Let's be
angle.
honest.
not
Let's be
me.
Be
honest.
honest.
Not you.
No, she has got one
We
relationship.
have one team, dude. Just act like you've been cool.
Yeah, everyone's gone through breakups, okay? And they're horrible.
Multiple,
they are
Shrija, remember that
multiple
guy?
Listen,
breakups.
just because there's no opportunity to have live-in doesn't mean you should be on that side, alright?
Okay. I would like
What did
to
he say?
chime in. No personal jibes.
What
I
did
know
you
too
say?
much.
Can someone repeat
A
for
neg-
me?
a negative-
I missed it.
Negative point for Shamik for going personal.
What the hell?
Just gave me a point.
Negative point.
Negative. Gaya.
Yes. Good. Be pro rights, not pro government.
Shamik, you are not
Yeah.
raised this way. I'm
What
sorry.
a journey I've been on already.
देखा? By the way, ऐसे ही यही morals होते हैं live-in वालों के. यही होता
Okay,
है.
I just said
बदतमीज
no
होते हैं वो
personal
लोग.
chibes.
-1. There can be negatives.
I'm just against it.
Kenneth, control your friends. Okay? Just because we are acquaintances does
Just
not mean.
because we don't need to sign a form to be under one roof doesn't mean we are
Okay.
wrong.
fair.
जैसे मुझे लगता है कि लिव इन क्या होता है ना, दैट इट्स लाइक ये बॉयज जो है ना, ये फंसाना चाहते हैं लड़कियों को, और जहाँ लड़कियां कमिटमेंट मांग रही है, या चलो लड़का भी कमिटमेंट मांग सकता है,
Way
क्यों
to
भाई?
gender
अगर तुम
this
रहना
debate.
चाहते हो तो क्यों नहीं गवर्नमेंट इन्वॉल्व हो सकती है?
On
Fair.
some
That's
level,
why
I
you're
totally
pro-government.
agree.
You're pro
And Kenny,
government
one
is what
second.
you're saying.
The government point has been made.
Made, yeah. Please.
Government point has been made.
Deputy-
अरे she said government.
उन्होंने मना किया है ना?
Hey, the government has lots of people to
Thanks.
make points for them.
This is very government behavior.
So I agree. I feel it's a good point. Sometimes boys, you know, there's to fake commitment. They're like, hey, come on, this is serious. We're living it together.
yeah.
Let me present the boy point of view also.
The
It's
key
like
word is
sometimes.
some-
No middle ground.
Yeah.
No middle ground. It's only extreme. No nuance over here.
I agree.
Listen, if you're marrying someone, you need to get to know them.
Yes.
Okay, so you have to live in with them to see कि वो
Yeah.
चड्डी वाली किधर फेंकता है.
Absolutely.
Imagine you find out after you're married, you're like,
That's
what
too
the fuck?
risky.
You
Yeah.
shit in the hall?
Yeah. It's crazy.
You flush.
Just for chaddi, 1 point.
You flush every 48 hours. If it's brown, then it goes down. If it's yellow, let it mellow. ये क्या है? I don't love you anymore.
You can always do poetry and win a
I'm sorry,
point.
bro.
Can we have a round of applause for that? Did you just
No,
come up?
I didn't make that up. It's very old.
Yeah, you think like a street poem basically.
But you-
like boys go to college to get more knowledge. Like that. Girls go to Jupiter to get
No,
more
it's
stupider.
the other way around, okay? Boys go to Jupiter.
Shamik gets
You
a
can
point
switch,
for
you
being.
can switch it however you want.
You have to get to know them first, so you live in.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're going to find out everything after you get married, which is much worse.
Yeah, and then you'll just
I believe.
accept your situation and be like, oh, I have to live like this. But that's not required. If you had
Divorce
just
proceedings are so long.
simply get involved in all
I
this.
feel they're making some strong points.
Tell me
No,
something,
but
both
one
of y'all,
second.
before y'all got married, did y'all live in?
We are not married, by the way.
No, not y'all. We had.
But to answer your question,
Yes.
I cannot answer it because my mother's watching.
Oh,
That's the strongest yes ever.
yes.
To answer my case,
Yeah.
no, I didn't live in.
Exactly.
No.
1 point.
What
for
does that
us,
prove?
please.
No,
There are
I'll tell you what it
exceptions.
proves.
There are exceptions to
How is
every
for
rule.
us?
Kenny saying I haven't lived in a point to you.
I'll tell you.
No, he got
What
me.
is going
We
on?
He got
said
me.
exactly.
I'll tell you why it proves it.
He got
Because
me.
I've done a live-in, I'm not married. They both haven't done a live-in and they're married. So the key to success
Exactly. We're
in
not
marriage is that you don't live in pre-marriage.
So he's saying like we say something, but what we do
Dude,
is what we have.
yes.
to
Okay,
look at, and
okay,
he's-
okay.
he's right.
Marriage,
we have data here to prove
guys,
it.
marriage is about true love.
Nope.
And true love is about accepting a person for all their
I
flaws.
reject both
so
your
if you're going to
definitions.
leave,
I reject both definitions.
Let her
I'm
make the
married
point.
and I reject your definition.
Please, Shamik, even
if
though
you're going to
Sorry.
leave someone just because say, they shit in the middle of a
room.
that's just honestly so disloyal of y'all.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
You
whoa.
won't believe.
I have never heard anybody say the sentence just because you shat in the middle of the room. What do you
Just
mean?
because.
1 second. Stop bullying Shrija.
Fuck.
Let her finish. She speaks a little slowly.
Can't you side?
It's not fair that you bully her.
Make the point about shitting in the hall not being a problem.
हॉल में तूने टट्टी किया जाने दो ना बेचारा.
देखो एक तो if some guy is shitting in the middle of the hall,
Yeah.
तो वो
It sounds
आदमी
like
तो
the
पागल
worst.
ही है ना यार. वो पागल ही है बिल्कुल.
I regret introducing the premise to this debate about the no one's shitting in
Also,
any
see,
room.
but I'll tell you.
being
One
pulled into a
second.
side debate about the mental health
No, no.
of a person shitting in the room. I'm not convinced he's crazy. There might
we
be other
would like to
problems.
talk about the norms
See, I'll
and
tell you
not
what.
exceptions.
The
Yeah,
good
let's
thing
come back
is,
to
see, the
the
good
topic,
thing
yes.
is, if you live in with someone from before, no, there's no surprise. Like, see, your
Yeah,
wife,
exactly.
it's suddenly like, fuck, he shits in the like maybe that's love for her.
Yeah.
He's so open that he can just shit in front
He's
of me.
such
bro.
a
He's
hippie,
comfortable. That's
yeah?
true
You've been
marriage.
speaking to my wife? What the fuck?
Yeah, 1 second. I'm sorry to show you some chats. But so I'm just saying that's surprise.
That's true.
Otherwise,
surprise.
what you've seen
Wow.
everything, what chaddi they're wearing, what banya. That's nothing, bro.
Yeah.
What like it's
Surprise
a
is a
flatmate
good
there.
point.
Yes.
Surprise.
It's
is a
that
good point.
moment when after arranged marriage you see your spouse shit
is
in
the
the middle of the
biggest- yeah.
room.
Okay, can we stop with the shit in the middle of the hall?
Okay, wait,
That's what I'm
wait,
saying.
wait.
There are
Dude,
other
I saw-
points.
Okay, one second, one
Let's
second.
go with
They
towel
make-
on the bed. Towel
Okay.
on the bed.
Towel on the bed. They make
Yeah,
breakfast.
that's a more common
they make
problem.
they make
Living-
hot chocolate at night.
Live in लिव इन कपल्स को घर नहीं मिलते हैं, मैरिड कपल्स को मिलते हैं, एंड दैट्स इट.
Applause he has got.
Wow, what a pro-government
beats
applause.
real estate.
And
Whoa, one
yes,
second.
You
Give an
are
applause.
only in a relationship acknowledged by your real estate broker is a real relationship.
Sad truth.
But that's not fair.
Did you
That's
see
not
the
fair.
lack of enthusiasm on the second time? They're like, oh, wait, we've been clapping for the wrong opinion.
I think the first point was stronger.
Yeah.
We'll go with first point. Okay, I think we should end this topic.
No, you started this.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
We want to continue.
Okay, one closing statement.
Basically, you have the option of trying and then leaving if it doesn't work out. Whereas in marriage, it gets harder. There is other parties
Demo
involved.
run.
Sorry,
Okay.
what did she say?
That's the whole point, no? That's the
Why?
a person can cheat and go away at any moment of time, but
Yeah.
a person is married.
You're already losing
So you're
this
saying-
person.
Break your
Exactly.
heart.
So lack of commitment is
They
what
want an easy out. You're right, man. They want
So
an easy
closing
out.
statement itself full of holes. So
This
closing statement.
sounds like you're
Closing
assuming.
statement.
It
Yeah,
sounds
your
like
time
you're
is up.
going into the relationship with the aim of alimony only. No.
हाँ.
We will get to
Gold
that.
diggers बोल रहा है ये लड़कियों को.
भाई
I don't
See,
think.
closing statement.
पहला बात
Will
तो
your parents be proud of this?
My parents are in a live-in for 35 years.
Arnab, let me speak. You said something about true love. So if it's true love, then शादी तो होने ही वाला है ना?
Yes.
You were just saying something else 2 minutes ago. But if it's true love, you're not going to get married anyway,
She's
right?
a divorce lawyer. She's like, I need the marriage argument to
See,
win.
I'll tell you the problem is
Yes.
these guys have made the discussion very negative. Ki shitting, it won't work out.
Yeah.
Arey bhai, what if like you find out that
Yes,
she gives you
yeah.
flowers every morning,
Yes,
or you are
yes.
making breakfast for her? It can be positive.
Exactly.
These guys are just bitter in life. Don't listen to them, okay?
But what
Our
if
parents have had see, thank you sir for clapping. Okay, thank you.
our parents,
Yes. Yes.
That was me clapping.
even you can't
I
hear
can
properly.
Okay, I think wonderful closing statements. One statement was
Positive, full of energy,
one
full of
was
life.
mocked by
Yes.
the audience member. So I'll give 1 point to
Saurav
Saurav for
and
that closing
Shrija.
statement.
Thank you.
And
ये आस्ते बोल.
Jose and Shrija get 1 point for the true love. Whatever shit they say.
Whatever shit they say.
Okay, we'll big round of applause for
Nice one.
these two teams. Audience, do you feel which side won? Living in or the marriage?
Correct.
Oh wow, okay.
Yes.
Additional point.
तुम लोग को पता चल जाएगा बाद. करो.
Yeah, hey, can we do this same audience 10 to 15 years from now and
Sure.
check their opinions?
Guys, come.
Then we'll see which side you're on. When all the marriages have fallen apart.
2035, please, we'll do the same show.
Same show, same
Comment on the
time.
video.
Yeah,
Yeah.
comment on the. That's
All
also
right.
an option. Yes, easier. Okay. Awesome, guys. So you guys won this round. Congratulations. You also win a point each. Boo. Excellent. This was.
Excellent.
Loved. I really thought that was a very chill topic, but it got very heated.
Tracy was right. It was juicy, bro.
Yeah, it is juicy.
Juicy.